Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Onlys. On today's tutorial, I'll guide you what does SP means on Snapchat. So, if your friends are sending you SP snaps on your Snapchat, well, in this video, I'm gonna be teaching you guys what does SP really means. So, first, you need to hop into Snapchat. Let me show you how does the SP snaps look like on Snapchat. For that, let me go on the chat section of Snapchat, and if your friends also send you snap like this. So what does this really means? Its full form is snapback. So basically what this person is trying to tell you that you need to snap them back in order to maintain the snap streaks with them. So snap streak is about sending a snap back to your friends and getting the snap back in order to maintain the snap streak. The initial aim to send the SP snap is to maintain the snap streaks on the Snapchat. This is sent basically to notify you that your snap streak with them is about to end and you need to send the another snaps back to them to maintain the snap streaks on the Snapchat. So I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching.